Assured Science is building a new system designed to solve the problems undermining scientific research today. This new system is self-sustaining, giving researchers limitless means to fund projects and the freedom to choose any topic. Efficient, resistant to manipulation or sociopolitical interference, Assured Science's system will produce the best kind of data from every project. These data are validated in different contexts and integrated with related data by peers in the normal courses of their research. What makes it all possible is a novel and powerful revenue-generating electronic infrastructure called TURN, the universe of research niches. Today, the whole body of existing scientific research data is fragmented across thousands of different publications, institutes, libraries, and archives. This is like breaking Earth into millions of pieces, jumbling them up, and storing small portions of them in different places. TURN is like the template to reassemble Earth as it exists today. It organizes all scientific research data into a single, coherent, virtual universe based on the fundamental principle of cause and effect. Nothing like it exists for scientific research today. TURN is made up of nodes and internodes that are created by extracting and quantifying the degrees of cause and effect relationships of two or more key technical terms found in the entire body of existing scientific research data. Comparing a couple of nodes will provide further understanding. For instance, the terms cancer and banana will represent a very small field of existing research, a weak cause and effect relationship, and therefore a relatively small node. However, the terms cancer and smoking will have a robust field of existing research with a strong cause and effect relationship, and therefore will dwarf its counterpart. Since every technical term is linked to another, the result is one cohesive network based on cause and effect relationships among neighboring nodes. Just as a unit of physical distance can measure any 2 points on Earth, and genetic distance can relate any two living beings on Earth, this cause and effect relationship can be used to relate any two technical terms in turn. Navigating from one term to another is very much like navigating a digital map with the addition of one important feature: time. But the most attractive feature of TURN is that it is completely barren when constructed, with the nodes only showing the predetermined locations of datasets and the internodes only showing the distances between related datasets. In other words, except for the wireframe-like template showing the cause and effect locations of all the nodes and internodes, TURN is enticingly vacant. People will want to populate TURN with datasets and related technical, commercial, and service information to maximize their performance in the scientific research enterprise, or profit from it. This is the heartbeat of the new system. To use TURN when populated, you simply enter the terms you want to explore. The network will focus on the strongest cause and effect relationship nodes at the center, and the nodes with proportionately weaker relationships radiating away. In just a glance, you will see all factors impacting the relationship between your technical terms, their relative levels of impact, and all other vital information. You can select any node and study the actual datasets and all the materials, methods, and services that were used to populate that specific node. You can even examine the evolutionary history of the node, as well as past materials and methods underpinning the current datasets. Later, you can explore internodes and obtain detailed information pertaining to the cause and effect relationships among the nodes. By simply swiping your finger or cursor, you can navigate to any part of TURN and explore that region. When new data are incorporated, TURN will recalibrate the cause and effect relationships and evolve. It's like a neighborhood growing by adding new homes, with distances between homes changing according to evolving strengths of social relationships among neighbors. The entire body of scientific research that is now buried away in disparate and often inaccessible archives will come alive as potential seeds for future research projects when they populate TURN. This is organized into neighborhoods, which are a larger grouping of nodes and internodes, also based on cause and effect relationships. Thus, the data are primed for effective cross-fertilizing and vibrant growth of new, robust data. The result is the vigorous growth of the scientific research enterprise, which means vigorous growth of all scientific, research-based, economic, and service activities as well. In the final video, you'll learn how Turn is used to create a new limitless and self-sustaining ecosystem for scientific research, one that produces the best possible data from every research project and dramatically increases the benefits to everyone using it.